Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change text to uppercase or lowercase in Microsoft Word using shortcut. So firstly select your text and press Shift plus F3. Turn on function key and in some windows Shift function key F3. So you can change case from capital to small letter, I mean uppercase to lowercase, like this. This is the uppercase, this is the lowercase, and this is the sentence. Capitalize each one, and this one is capital. Now I will show you again. Select Shift Fn and F3. Shift plus Fn plus F3, and in some computer Shift plus F3. So thanks for watching.